Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's been a while. Work and everything has been quite challenging for me to actually sit down and make some videos, but we're back, and without wasting anybody's time, I've actually forgotten where we are. I know we're doing some aiming, so I might have changed the logic. So what we're going to be doing today is this. So if we hit play here, so you can see that red circle there following where our mouse is pointing. We're going to be doing that so that when we come here and interact, get this guy, equip him, then equip that. We do this so that when we do that, you can see our player's aim is following that particular aim rotation. So right now it's only left and right. We haven't yet started dealing with up and down, but this is what we're going to be creating. So you can see that player is about to aim exactly where we are aiming. Forget about the walking for now, but yeah, so this is what we are going to be trying to create in today's episode. So the last time I left, I think I'd left you guys having created a rig, so you can just remove that rig. I will get to that rig after we deal with the base aiming. So just remove the rig. I think it should be on your player or somewhere. Just remove the rig and remove the renderer and everything to do with the rig. Just remove them. Then we're going to create a few scripts. So the first script that we're going to create is the script that allows this ball to follow our mouse position. So let's create a script. We're going to call it the aim cam controller or aim controller. Then I'll get back to you when we are there. Okay, so this is the first script we're going to create. Get mouse position. It's going to be of type mono behavior. So what the script is going to be doing, it's pretty simple. It's just simply going to be getting the broad position of our mouse. So it's very different in 3D to 2D. I'm not going to explain this. You can actually watch Code Monkey. He explains this very well, and you'll be able to see what we're doing. So let's get a private. First of all, let's make it a transform, and let's now say this is the aim visual transform. Okay. Then we're going to say serialize field again, and this time we're going to say private camera main cam, and then we're going to make a third one just for good measure, a layer mask. So we'll make it a private layer mask aim mask. Okay, so once we have those three variables, we're going to create an update. So let's just leave the void update. Leave it private. We can just leave it as a void update, and then we're gonna say vector2 screen. Let's say center of screen. We're going to say vector2 center of screen. Vector2 center of screen is equal to, and let's create a new function at the bottom here and call it public. So it's going to be vector2 function. So it's going to return vector2. We're going to say get screen center. So we always want to aim at the center of our screen. Okay, so we're going to say vector2 center is going to be equal to a new vector2. Then we're going to say screen dot width divided by 2. Remember, we want to get the center, so we have to split our screen's width into 2 and split our height into 2 so that we get that center. So screen dot height divided by 2, and then we're going to return the center. Now here, center of screen, we're going to say is equals to get screen center. Nicely done. Then we're going to say we're going to shoot a ray. So we're going to say ray. This will be equal to the camera dot main. Okay. So screen to point. So screen point to ray. Screen point to ray. And we're going to pass the center of the screen. So we want our ray to go directly there because we're going to use that for where our arrows should go. So now let's say if physics dot raycast, then we're going to say ray, okay, out raycast hit. I'm gonna say that's a raycast, and we're gonna tell it to go. Maybe the distance should be let's make this a variable that we can change. Size field, private, let's make it a public float in case you want to change the distance from another function. Maybe once we want to make it with more power, like the player increases power, they can shoot it further, we can go with that. So let's say public float, the amount, the aim distance. So let's put aim distance. So that's how far the ray shall shoot before it stops. And so here now we are going to say aim distance. Okay. Then finally we're going to say the aim mask. So we want to mask out some things. Then for us now to show, we're going to say aim visual transform dot position is equal to the ray cast hit, where the thing is hitting. No, we're calling it raycast for us. So raycast dot point. So else you say debug dot log nothing hit. That's it. So this should get our mouse position. So we're going to get this get mouse position, and then let it compile. So we just put it on our player. So I've already put it, but you guys can put it. It's right there. Right there. So once you put it there, when you now hit play, and then oh, we need to set up some variables. So name mask, let's come here and say that's the position. Then for the camera we're going to do, and let's see how we do this. So let's come here and let's get start function, and let's say main arm is equal to okay, maybe interesting. Let's not do that. Let's that way. So we can set our main cam later. But for now, let's come there. Why is it still saying that? Oh, because we haven't given it the distance. So the distance, let's put 9999 for now. 99999. You can set it up however you want. Still saying nothing here because it's looking for where our camera is. So let's make, since we're using virtual cameras, we've got one camera. So we're going to drag our main camera onto that guy. Okay, so why is it still saying nothing yet? We've literally given it a main camera. Get no position, so let's say default on mask, then there we go. So make sure you set it to default so that everything that's under the layer default is able to be hit by our raycast. So now when you see this, you can see our ball is right ahead of our player, and it's getting our world position. So this is where it is. Okay, there we go. So when we begin to aim, it's also going to do the same thing. All right, let's do that. Now that we're getting this correctly, we need to create a camera. So if you haven't created the virtual camera, which is your aim camera, create it. So you just put it on the shoulder, so you can see how mine is. Let me just turn off this guy. Nope, I want to do that. Turn the virtual camera on, so like that. So you just disable virtual camera there. We're going to control it via script, but you just put it on the side like that. Once that is done, what we're going to do is come and create a script called aimcam controller, so for controlling our virtual camera.